Here is the small set of machines, and this one we designed for the smaller repair shop. Like each day, you can refurbish around 20 pieces to 30 pieces, and it is very convenient for the operators to refurbish from first step to last step. And the first one, it is the 5-in-1 machine. The 5-in-1 machine, it combines many functions together. The first one, you can use it to do manual LCD separation, to separate the cracked glass from LCD. This one, the hot plate. And the second one, you can use this one to do glue removal. And then this one, you can work as the hot plate as well. And also here, this is for Samsung front housing frame separation, and it has a built-in vacuum pump. So the function for this machine, it is like that. And also here you can adjust the height of the blade, and the settings for the temperature are here, and this is the power button. So the setup, it is very easy, and also the functions for this one, it is very convenient for the smaller repair shop. And then the next step will be the OCA film laminating machine. This one, it has the built-in vacuum pump as well, so it is convenient for you to apply the OCA film and polarizer film on LCD also. No need to add extra vacuum pump. And then the last one will be this Mini Laminating Machine. This one, it is just a new can mount, and it does not need vacuum pump, no need air compressor. And also the working status for this one, it is without any noise. So later you can see how we proceed with this machine, and all the settings are pre-programmed already inside, so no need to set up anything. And now we will show you how to use these 3 machines to refurbish our iPhone 6 Plus. Let's start with the first step, to separate the cracked glass from LCD. The separate temperature on the hot plate, usually you can set up to 90 to 80 degrees, that is okay. No need to put too high. Too high, it may damage the flex cable or the backlight, like something. Okay. And after this step, we will use the second function of this machine to do glue removal. And while you do the glue removal, you need to power off the temperature for the separation controller. And it is better to wait the hot plate until it is cool, because if the hot plate it still has the high temperature around 80 or 90 degrees, it will do damage to your backlight. Now the hot plate, the temperature becomes to normal, and we will continue to remove the glue. There is a small screw on the bottom of the hot plate, which you can lose it. So this part, this part you can push to the because the iPhone 6 Plus, the LCD screen, the size is much bigger. So while you remove the glue, it is better to use your finger to press the LCD, to press on the LCD, so the LCD itself will not crack. But watch out that your finger will be not hurt by the blade, because the blade part, the temperature, it is very high. See, the polarizer, it is removed together with the glue. And we move to the next step. The next step will be cleaning. You can use the small blade to help to remove the rest of the polarizer and a little glue on the screen first, and then use the glue remover liquid. And while you're doing this process, make sure that you do not damage the flex cable. And then we will use this OCA polarizer film laminating machine to apply the OCA film and polarizer on LCD. After cleaning, you will put the polarizer film on LCD first. And this machine, it is easier for you to make alignment for the polarizer with the LCD. Put the polarizer on the LCD first. Make sure it just match with the LCD. And then press top down, click the vacuum button. So you will see that the polarizer film, it gets stuck on and make sure that there is no bubbles, because this step it is very important. And after you apply the polarized film, you will need to use this anti-static glue for both corners. The anti-static glue you need to get connect with the edge of the polarized film. Usually you will need to wait until the anti-static glue dry. After that, you put the OCA film on the LCD. The step will be the same as how you apply the polarized film. So this part it is finished also. And this step it is very important that there is no bubbles, because if there is air inside while you put the polarizer or OCA glue on LCD, that will result in dead bubbles after you finish the bubble removal step. So this step you have to take more care. Use the alignment mode to do alignment. It is the matte one. And then put the glass on the LCD. The tips on this step will be that while you put the new glass on LCD, do not press the new glass. Just put it on the LCD and then take it out and put it on to the bubble remover machine. But do not press it, because if you press the new glass to the LCD, it will be sealed between the glass with the LCD, and that will result in dead bubbles very easily. Put like this. Okay, and then take it into the Mini Laminating Machine. Okay, close the door. The door it is like the lock screw, and it does not need any screws. And click the start button and wait for 6 minutes. It will stop automatically, and then we will see the result. And you can hear that while this machine is in operation, there is no noise. It is really quiet. Is over. Okay, and then we will see what happens inside. put it in the mold for the base frame. First, you will put the base frame with the LCD flatly, and then put it into the mold. Now the process is finished.